Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a false line cake. I also used neutral glaze on it, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So we'll start off by breaking 2 eggs and we'll beat them. Beat until they get a bit fluffy. Once the eggs get a bit fluffy, add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and mix well. I know that I haven't been posting frequently, but I really don't have a forgiving schedule and it's really very hard these days to shoot videos, then edit and upload them. Here I added in about 1/2 cup of oil and we'll just mix it well, and then we'll add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We definitely can't forget a teaspoon of baking powder, that's the key ingredient. Add in 1/4 cup of milk and mix it well in the batter. Here I used about a tablespoon of vanilla extract to eliminate the smell of the eggs. Just pour it into a greased baking pan and bake it on 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it gets completely baked. When the cake gets on room temperature, we'll divide it into 4 equal partitions. Just letting you know that this is a 6-inch cake. You can soak the layers with the help of some sugar syrup. I'm spreading some pineapple slices in between the layers, but if you want to use a fruit cocktail or your favorite fruits, you can definitely do that. I placed the second layer over and then I soaked it with the help of some sugar syrup, added the whipped cream and the pineapples as we did it in the last layer. I repeated the procedure and I did all of the 4 layers and then we'll ice it. So here I'm doing the crumb coat, but in this cake I'm not going to be using a lot of cream because this was a gift for someone and they don't really like a lot of cream on the cake, so I just followed the requirement. I added in some red gel color in my frosting to create this beautiful baby pink shade and spreaded the cream on half of the cake as we have to draw a false line. For creating this golden false line, I used some edible glitter and mixed it with the solution. Next I'm using a sanitized brush to draw the line. I just made this red neutral glaze at home. If you want the recipe, let me know and I'll post the tutorial. I spreaded it in the center of the cake so that it drips less and I get my required drip. And finally, I just topped it with some beautiful swirls. That's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please do subscribe to my channel before leaving and turn that black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.